Hey guys, what's going on? Today just a quick video. I'm gonna be heading to the shop, hopefully repainting the front pipe here. I do these bark busters in the same green that we did the frame. We're also gonna do the swing arm. Hopefully we get it all done. A lot of work, but yeah, stay tuned.
Hey guys, next we're going to take these wonderful paints and clean this exhaust. I'm going to give it a fresh coat of high heat resistant paint.
And guys, we're also doing the bark busters.
We'll just taking a rust wheel to all the rusty spots on the exhaust here. I have prepared all these for paint. Just cleaned them up, got the stickers off them. Now I'm gonna start working on this. And we're gonna paint it the same satin silver, but it's just gonna look a lot better. It's not gonna have all that. Oh yeah. So unfortunately guys, as I was prepping the swing arm here, I noticed it's cracked right on the shock mount at the bottom. It's also cracked to the other side as well. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have to send it out to get welded. That's kind of a bummer, I don't have a TIG welder here. But yeah.
Okay guys, so our time at the shop yesterday was kind of pointless. So we don't have the swing arm here, but the swing arm has a crack in one of the mounts for the shock linkage. Kind of piss off because it's aluminum and we don't have an aluminum welder. So we're gonna have to find someone that does have an aluminum welder. But for today, we're gonna be working on this, just cleaning it up a bit.
Let's get cracking. Alright guys, so we got a bunch of the grease and grime off of there. We were using, where are they at? Scotch-Brite pads. I just had a couple gray ones. Didn't use all of them, but yeah, I mean, it's not looking perfect right now, but we got a lot of the stuff off of it. Gonna put some really hot, really soapy water on, let it sit for a long time, and then just pressure wash it. And I'm gonna be super careful. We've blocked off both the intake and the exhaust. Don't want any water getting inside this thing, because that would not be good.
So that's gonna do it for tonight. Tomorrow, we're gonna try and clean up some of the other pieces and we'll just see where we go from there. Very nice. Oh hey. We're gonna head back to the shop now to work on some of the parts of the KDX. We're gonna be absolutely sandblasting the exhaust, getting some header paint, painting the exhaust. We also have to take the swing arm to this wonderful gentleman and pay him for his good work to weld it back together so I don't die when I sit on it for the first time. Let's start!
Alright guys, we're at the shop here. Just got a new sandblasting cabinet.
Absolutely blasted.
We're gonna be sandblasting this header pipe here, possibly painting this today, and maybe painting the bark busters.
Today guys, we'll be painting the bark busters.
It's finally together. I'm gonna paint the header pipe. but I'm gonna leave the tank and the bark busters for another day. So yeah, I'll show you that right now. Here I have the header pipe all sandblasted, no more rust. Gonna lay some header paints on it, see how she looks. I hope it looks good. This looks pretty good. Nearly factory brand new. Paint's not 100% dry yet, but no rust on it now. That's good. We just need to replace those exhaust seals and we're mint.
Ship himself.